Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so in this tutorial I'm actually going to show you guys about saving this. Now, how do you want to save it? You can either go down over here to your little arrow key that I have my arrow clicked on, and you can actually have this dialog box come up, and you got all sorts of options right here. You can actually hit flatten image, and it will completely flatten everything for you. You don't have to do anything. It's already flattened and it looks nice and clean. Or what you can do is you can go back in time and you can file and save as, and you can save this as a JPEG if you like, and that's actually going to flatten your images for you. It's going to tell you something like it saved it automatically, and what it did is left all these layers here, but it saved that. Now if we actually X out of here, it's going to give you another option, save as a Photoshop document. Now if you save that as a Photoshop document, it's going to save all your layers for you. And the reason why you would want to do this, maybe to see how you actually did what you just did right here by adding all this tape and everything, it's going to save your layers and show you step by step what you've done. Basically what you want to do is come up here to your image, and I'm going to show you my original one that I've done. So this is my original one. And as you can see, it's a little different than what I just did with you guys today. And I did this one a while back, and I did this one today. So as you can see, the plastic tape looks a little different than this one, and you got two different type of looks. So do what you please and have fun with it. Be creative, and I hope to see you guys and talk to you guys in the future in more tutorials.